Stylo Sync, ensuring smooth workflow and efficiency in boutique operations. Centralized dashboard. Visual data and performance metrics in one place. Order entry. Effortlessly manage customer orders. Customization options, ensuring a smooth order processing experience. Delivery invoice. Generate and manage invoices for completed orders, ensuring accurate billing and seamless order delivery tracking for both customers and staff. Today, follow up. Stay on top of daily customer interactions by tracking scheduled follow-ups, ensuring timely communication and enhanced customer satisfaction. To do. Organize and assign daily tasks for boutique staff, improving workflow efficiency and ensuring all essential activities are completed on time. Appointment booking. Streamline the scheduling process by managing customer appointments, tracking designer availability, and preventing scheduling conflicts. Item consumption. Maintain accurate records of material usage in production, ensuring proper inventory management and minimizing wastage. Overall follow-up. Get a comprehensive view of all pending customer interactions, follow-ups, and order updates, ensuring seamless communication. Measurement and design pending. Track and manage pending customer measurements and design approvals, ensuring smooth order processing and avoiding unnecessary delays. Masters. This module includes essential setup configurations for managing different aspects of the boutique. Measurement type. Input material. Item. Sub-item. Additional item. Customer. Item receivable. Production operation. Measurement entry. Designer. Payment type. Design and design group. Registers. Maintains detailed records of transactions and processes. Order entry register. DC invoice register. Payment receipt register. Production operation register. Our Stylo Sync is designed to simplify these tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction, all in one powerful software solution. Are you ready to take your boutique to the next level? Upgrade to our boutique operations with better control and productivity. Contact us today for a demo or to get started.